All right, welcome to another day of LSAT prep with Tony, and I've chosen LSAT Max as my prep course. And here we see in front of us the calendar for that. It is June 7th, 2021. I am preparing for the August 14th test. I don't know when you can register. I need to look into that because it'd be probably good to be able to register, like a time of day, what would be good for me. I'd rather not do it later, do it earlier. Mind's fresher, I think. So, um, yesterday or on Friday when I did my video, I said that I was gung ho. I was going to do another prep test and I was going to review the one that I did. I didn't do any of that stuff. I um, I did the review. I basically realized that I was pretty exhausted mentally, and I didn't want to exacerbate that situation. And so what I did is I took time to review the test that I took on the day prior or whatever it was that I took the diagnostic test. Excuse me. Ooh. And so I am meeting with Chris. I did meet with Chris on Friday, and he gave me some pointers on what to do. I'm meeting with him again. Did I meet with him? Anyway, I'm meeting with him again today. Um, so I'll show you a little bit about my review, what I did here. Let's see. Here's my review. I just basically went through the questions in the diagnostic test, and oops, that's the wrong one. That's the right one. So you go in here and you can open the questions, you can review them, and the ones you got wrong, you go in here and say, okay, you got this one wrong. This was a logic game, so it's not a great example. Uh, let's see, where did we go? Maybe like this, maybe like this, and like this. So this is reading comprehension, also not a good example. Here it is, logical reasoning. Okay, so these I can go through here and find the question I got wrong, read it, try to figure out why I got it wrong, and when I realize why I got it wrong, then I come in here and I write down my thoughts about that. So I think that's a good way to go for me. I don't know how many other people actually do this kind of review. This is the kind of review that works for me. Get it, verbalize it, actually speaking it into the dictation, so that it just saves time from me having to type it out. So there'll be lots of grammatical errors and things that I have to ignore, which is hard for me. So here we go. That's what we did on Friday, and then I am approximately here on the weekend questions. So I did some of that as well. I watched the whole video. I took some notes, and I did I did. No, I didn't get to the end of the questions. I'm going to start those today. I did two of them before I realized I hadn't done my video yet today. So here we are doing video. I also did this. I updated my calendar because we were going to take a vacation here on the 12th, but we decided to postpone that. We've got family things that are happening too that are just making it make more sense for us to just not take that vacation time and take it after the LSAT's over. So that gives me another week of studying. That's good. What I did is I kind of plotted out. I really want to be here at 165, and I really can't do anything less than 160 for the schools I want to get into. So I plotted a course from where I am to where I want to be, and I just kind of measured it evenly over these weeks. Now, the average between the weeks that I have left is a 2.4 jump in score per week, but that's not possible. Obviously, there are whole points on the LSAT, so I just kind of did two one week, three another week, and kind of like that. So this winds me up. If I can nail this schedule, then I can wind up with a pretty good score at the end of it. And this just kind of gives me, instead of floating out in the sea between 140 and 165, 5 where I want to be, I have I have kind of like landmarks between now and then, and those landmarks will help me know, okay, how am I doing? Do I need to take some measures to try and change my study program? Give me something to evaluate against. So that's that. Here's the weekend questions. Let's see what we got on the deal for today. Just going through and checking those out. I think I'm kind of getting these okay. I'll probably there's 100 of these, so I probably won't do 100 of them. I'm going to probably do them up until, I don't know, 15 or 20 of them maybe. We'll see how far I get with timing. I have a meeting with Chris the tutor at noon, so that's in 2 hours. So I'll probably spend the 2 hours doing these questions. They're taking me about 5 minutes each so far. But these are real mind benders. So take some good time to do those. And hope to this week take the next prep test and be able to have that to discuss with Chris next week. I'm going to ask him about what he thinks is a good prep test schedule, because I've been taking them on like Friday or Thursday. But I'm thinking, would it be better for me to take them earlier in the week? I just kind of want to run that through, go over that with Chris and see what he thinks. Should I do it earlier in the week so that I can kind of know how to adjust my schedule, or is it better that I study for the week and then take a test at the end and review it the final day? So taking it on Thursday, reviewing it on Friday. Just kind of get some advice on that. That's why it's really good to have a tutor, so that you can have some experience speaking into your study program. So I highly recommend buying at least some tutoring if you use LSAT Max or even any other program. I showed one time the gentleman who has a tutoring course, but I think he requires thousands of dollars worth of purchases, so he may not be the best option. But I don't know what Blueprint does. Maybe leave a comment if you know about other programs that other people can help, or that would help other people know how to purchase tutoring or how they might be able to purchase tutoring. So you can drop that in the comments. That'd be lovely. And like this video. I appreciate your viewership, and it really hopefully helps you as much as it's helping me. And hopefully in the future, as this video just going to become something on YouTube, others will be able to watch it, and your comments will help them as well. So have a great day, Chris the LSAT. We'll see you tomorrow.